Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to choose DocFlow as your ASP. First, go to the EmaraTax portal and log in. Put all your details, email, password, and enter the security code. Once you are on the home page, you will see your company. Just click View and go to the eInvoicing page. Next, confirm that you've read all the instructions, check the box and click Start. A pop-up will appear. Read it and click Proceed. Now you will see a list of ASPs. Search for Cloud Consulting, click on it and continue. You will be redirected to our website. Enter your email and tax identification number. All your entity details will appear automatically. Please review and make sure that everything is correct, then continue. And that's it, you will see you are now successfully linked with DocFlow as your ASP.